Hello, good morning once again to you wherever you are watching my video from. This is Danicom channel. You know, on this channel we give you nothing but the best. In today's video I'm going to show you how to simply create a WhatsApp channel. You know, WhatsApp previously updated their app, and then if you are in outside Ghana, you can create a channel for your business where you promote your business by putting content for your followers or your subscribers to be seeing all the updates. All right, basically channel is like a Facebook group or a Facebook page where you can put messages and content there for people to be viewing all your products. Or Ghana, you can also create a channel. So I'm going to show you how to create a channel in a minute or two. Reason for creating a channel is that one, all your followers will be able to see your updates or your content or even your product and services that you are offering to the society, and they can reach out to you. One advantage of creating a channel is that if a follower is following you for all your updates, anytime they view your video or your pictures, it doesn't even get downloaded onto their phone, so they don't have to even think about storage. All right, it's like just basically roaming on Facebook or TikTok and watching other people's content. So channel on WhatsApp is very good for you, and then it can help you to promote your business. Let's look at how to create channel on the mobile phone, and then I'll use my business name, which is Danicom, for an example, and then you'll be able to create your own channel at the end of the day. Thanks. If you have not subscribed, subscribe and share the video to also educate somebody. Alright, so quickly what you can do is just pick up your mobile phone and then look through to see where your WhatsApp icon is. Your WhatsApp icon, just click on your WhatsApp, and then you can see we have updates. All right, so when you get to the update side, you can see that we have channels, and then under channels we have the plus icon. Just click on the plus icon. You have the option to create a channel. Just click on create channel. All right, now you have create a channel to reach unlimited followers. So this is going to help you reach a lot of people within the shortest possible time. Anyone can discover your channel and follow you. Channels are public, so anyone can find them and see 30 days of history as well. All right, so you can have a lot of people following your channel, basically like your Facebook page or your Facebook channel, okay, that people have been following you for update. So here you can just simply click on continue. So what you are going to do is you are going to create a channel to promote either your business or your organization or whatever, or like you can even do it for your church where you can have all your church members on board. All right, so now you just click on channel name, and then my channel name is going to be Danicom. All right, where we have been teaching technology and other things. So you can just follow Danicom on WhatsApp, and then you'll be getting updates on security, social trending, and all those kind of things for free. When you just finish, just click on create channel. All right, you have the option to give your channel a profile picture and all those things as you have been doing on your Facebook page. So now the channel is created. I'm sure you can see 0 followers. You don't have limited as to how many people can follow you. No, you don't have any limit as to how many people will follow you. You can add description, you can share link, and you can share to my status as well. Anytime you want to update your followers on whatever that you want them to see or hear, you just come to this place. Like the normal WhatsApp, you can chat, send images, upload videos, everything that you want to do, you can simply do it there. Thank you for watching Danicom. Share this video to educate somebody as well. Follow us on WhatsApp, and then also follow us on YouTube as well. Thank you.